Do you know how to make custard? Do you? Whenever I ask this kind of question at the beginning of a video, just know that that recipe, that meal, has been shaming Nigerians since the 19th century. Who here has never been shamed by custard? Hands in the air. My own is down. If your own is in the air, please let me know in the comments below, because I like meeting such special people. Yeah, this special breed of people that have never been shamed by the big three: custard, akamu or ogi, and semolina fufu. Oh my god, what is it about these three? What's so challenging about them? Is it fear? Is it lack of self-confidence? Okay, you heard that it's shaming people, so fear grips you. Some people will rather run away from home than be asked to make custard or akamu or semolina. And these three always choose when there's a large crowd, like all your family and the extended family members, such as during Christmas, during a traditional wedding, yeah, to shame you. Babe, my mom wants to drink akamu for breakfast. And you start shivering and start sweating like a Christmas goat. And knowing that custard is even the younger sibling of akamu. You know, if custard is first degree, akamu is PhD. It's up there. So let's start from ABC. Come on, let's go. Let's see the science of making custard the Nigerian way. I uploaded a video of this many years ago, but I don't think I talked in that video. So in this video, I'm going to really explain what's going on when you are making custard. You need just two ingredients to prepare it. Water, you need cool, that is room temperature water, and hot water. First, set some water to boil. Boil even more water than you need so that you don't panic. Custard swells when you make it, so use a big enough bowl, but not extremely too big for the quantity of custard you're making. For instance, I will not use this bowl to make this quantity of custard. That will be too much area to cover when pouring the hot water. You want, when you add the hot water, it will get to all the custard in the shortest time possible. With experience, you will know which quantity of custard fits which bowl. Yeah. Next, we mix the custard with cool water. Not cold water, but cool water. Room temperature water, which means chilled water is a no. We usually have bottled water sitting on the kitchen table, which is perfect for this. Do whatever you need to do to ensure you are using room temperature water to mix the custard the first time. Then, the quantity of water to add to it. I usually go by consistency because that's the only constant thing. If I tell you the exact quantity of water I added to this quantity of custard, what will happen when the quantity of custard you're making changes? You'll start running kitty and kata looking for the quantity of water that will match that new quantity, isn't it? I don't want you going through that kind of stress. To master this, just pay attention to the consistency I get now and aim for that consistency, whatever quantity of custard you are making. That's the only way to show this custard that you are the boss. With custard, you will notice that there's such a point where you can't even stir it as you're mixing. That's too thick. So keep adding water bit by bit till it cracks that hard point. I don't know how to describe it here. You know, with this, experience is the best teacher. Just try it and you see what I'm trying to explain. One thing you should know is that the success of making custard has a lot to do with the quantity of cool water you use in mixing it. Once you get this one right, everything will go serere werere. I'll try and put the quantities on the screen, but you should always aim for this consistency. That way, you will not need to memorize the quantity of custard
and that of water you need. We don't do that on this channel. No cram work here. We learn it the correct way. When done, we wait for the water to boil. Once you notice that the water is about to boil, stir the custard mix again. You know, it's a very smooth starch, so it settles in no time. If you do not stir it just before you add the boiled water, lumps will form. So stir, and once the water comes to a rolling boil, pour the hot water in a circular motion like this. Once you get a thick look, the color will change at that instant as well. So you see it. There are two signs, change of color and the thickness will change. Stop pouring the water and mix. You must surely get it right. Custard is the easy one. It's akamu that needs some PhD to get right, yeah? Add sugar or honey, whichever you prefer. I prefer sugar for custard. You can also add the milk at this time, then mix very well. And dish in plates for everyone. Add peak evaporated milk, the best milk to go with custard and akamu. If you don't have peak evaporated milk where you live, you can use peak powder. Mix it with a bit of water. And add to the custard and serve with akara. If you want to see the recipe for these cute akaras, you know, I've shown you guys how to make akara ndukwa. If you want to see the recipe for these cute akaras, let me know below.
So my people, I hope that with this video you will get making custard right from now on. Give this video a thumbs up if you want good luck to follow you. If you want your village people to be far from you as you attempt to make custard, sincerely good luck, because I know you need it. Click this video here for how to make akamu. I'll be waiting for your testimonies. I'm still wearing my jacket. I just came in now and I decided to make the intro to this video sharp, because I know that once I sit down, I won't show my face in this video and you guys will be like, it's been a long time we saw your face. Show your face, show your face. Bye bye, see you soon.